So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the second method, you want to go to search again and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find Windows Explorer. You want to click on it and then click on Restart Task. See if that works for you. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. And you now to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once you complete that scan, now you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now after you complete both those scans, you just want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.